Hey guys, FirstinWeather here. Right now there are many tropical systems that I'm covering. The main two right now are Tropical Storm Harvey and then potential Tropical Cyclone 10. This is currently affecting the Mid-Atlantic right now. It is, again, it has the potential to become a tropical storm, but that is not looking likely. And so right now it's bringing some light rainfall to Virginia and southeastern North Carolina, while eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey see some heavier rain. And in fact, precipitation amounts with this storm actually have been quite significant in the southeastern portions of Virginia, where some areas have seen as much as 2 to 3, maybe even 4 inches of rain in spots. And the National Weather Service has even issued a flood advisory for eastern Virginia, and gale warnings and high wind warnings for those areas where wind speeds could be sustained as high as 40 miles per hour, excuse me. But right now the main story, of course, is Tropical Storm Harvey. It just refuses to move out of the area. As you know, it made landfall a few days ago, and now it went back off the coast, and now it's still a tropical storm. It should weaken into a tropical depression by 7 p.m. Wednesday, but nevertheless, it will be dumping heavy rainfall the entire time. In fact, some areas in eastern Texas have picked up 50 inches of rain. Houston is seeing catastrophic flooding. Dams are overflowing, and thousands of people are just displaced. It really is just a horrible situation. And unfortunately, it's not looking like eastern Texas will get any relief until later this week. And so the only thing that can be done right now is just evacuating and being safe. And remember the phrase, don't turn around, don't drown. It's really just terrible out there. Nothing compared to what we're seeing here, but we're just getting a small taste of what's going down in the southeastern central portions of the country with Tropical Storm Harvey, where Texas is just getting slammed. And right now, the National Weather Service, or NOAA, is saying that it should weaken into a tropical depression and continue to go in a northeasterly direction as we head late into this week. And by 7 a.m. Sunday, it should be a depression. It should lose most of its tropical characteristics. It should just be an area of instability and showers and thunderstorms. And so I feel like this could impact our area with some pretty good showers and thunderstorms late Saturday and into the day Sunday. Winds won't be an issue at all. The rain won't be really that heavy or prolonged, but you might get caught in a shower or heavy thunderstorm as we head into the day on Sunday. Now, as we look at the intensity guidance forecast for Tropical Storm Harvey, you can see that it's a tropical storm, but in the next few hours, 24 to 36 hours, it should weaken significantly and really have no threat wind-wise at all by tomorrow. Now, as we head to, again, potential Tropical Cyclone 10, we can see that there's a very good agreement. There's very good agreement between all the models. As you can see, all of them are taking it in this really skinny line all the way in a northeasterly direction. So after the next 24 to 48 hours, it shouldn't really be having any impacts on the eastern coastline, except maybe some rough surf. Now as we head into the GFS model and look at the region on a broad scale, we can see that we have Tropical Storm Harvey right here and potential Tropical Cyclone 10. And as you can see, it's actually it's dumping some pretty heavy rain over eastern Virginia. And as we go along, we can see that this quickly departs, and then right now this is Tropical Storm Harvey, and now it's a depression, and it's gonna weaken, and then all it brings is just a few heavy showers and thunderstorms across the southeast, mid-Atlantic, and northeastern regions, and that should also move out by Monday of next week. Now, as we head into the upper air, we can see that on September 4th, Monday, day before school starts, here we have a pretty good trough, and this is mainly from Harvey, the remnants of it, bringing down that trough over the eastern United States, while we do have a ridge in the west. And as we head further in time, we have a massive trough developing over the eastern United States. As you can see, temperatures should be well below average for those couple of days, while we're going to see temperatures well above average in the west. If you look at the temperature anomaly, we can see that temperatures are way below average for Wednesday, September 6th. And this is actually not all too far out. If we go to the temperature chart and we go to the southeastern region, we can see that the GFS is predicting high temperatures in the upper 50s for September 6th. Obviously, this is not going to happen. It's almost unheard of to see temperatures in the 50s. And this is 18Z Wednesday. That's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is obviously an error in the model, but we all get the point. Temperatures are going to be below average for the next week or so. And as we head back to the temperature anomaly chart and go to the entire United States view, it has these below average temperatures continuing all the way till late September. And if we go back to the upper air, we can see that we have another trough coming in, and so we get a small break in the below average temperatures. We see average or slightly above average temperatures, but we have another trough right behind it coming in. So the pattern right now is really looking to feature below average temperatures for the next couple of weeks at least. This is the CFS weekly model forecast. As you can see, week 1 below average temperatures, week 2 below average temperatures. If we go to the 60 model run, week 3 average temperatures, week 4 slightly above average to average temperatures, week 5 slightly below average temperatures, and week 6 average temperatures. So it's looking like the entire month of September might feature below average temperatures. We might see 1 or 2 days of above average temperatures, but it's really looking like the entire month is going to see below average temperatures overall for the eastern, southeastern, and northeastern portions of the country, while the western sections see mainly above average temperatures, and northern portions of the country, especially northwestern portions of the country, could see a record warm September the way it's looking like right now, especially since this has been the consensus of the models for the past few days now, even the past few weeks, that the northwestern portions of the country are going to see really warm weather. Now, as we head to the NAM model to get the regional view, I'm going to go to the southeastern view. Give me 1 sec. And so this is potential tropical cyclone 10. Moves out today. Remnants for tropical depression Harvey. Well, right now it's tropical storm, but it should be a tropical depression in the next few hours. And that might spring up a few showers as we head into Sunday. This only goes up to Thursday. So you get the point. Temperatures for September are looking increasingly likely to be below average in the eastern portion of the country and above average in the western portion of the country. My fall forecast is going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.